We met at Hyderabad Literary Festival. A one-on-one conversations with few people have gathered interest in repair and reuse, and that interest has converted into a WhatsApp group, which has evolved into local repair-based discussions and exchange of repair referrals. The discussions grew intense, and then an idea was germinated to do the workshop. Few volunteers who have come together and they have made it happen in the city. Parents have registered for this workshop, although a couple of them are not sure of what to bring, and they're not sure because they just registered. But a child was very excited, and he brought a lot of things from home, which is a surprise. So children along with volunteers, they worked together. Skill sharing happened. Volunteers were excited and to share their knowledge and work together and networked. So a lot of exchange happened, and few items were also repaired. And so we know that what this whole workshop looks like. So I think we have now got into ourselves into a small association of people who are interested in pursuing this idea of repair cafe in Hyderabad.